Yes, good afternoon. My name is Gentility. So today, the topic we'll be treating today is Introduction to Adobe Premiere Pro interface. So today I will focus on interface. Yeah, this class is for video editing students. Yeah, if you want to learn how to edit video for movie or content creator, one of the professional software you can use for video editing is Adobe Premiere Pro, and I've been using that to edit some of my video. But the only challenge is that some students find it difficult when they open the interface. So it is this interface that I will focus on for today and explain about the interface, so that after today's class you no longer be afraid of using Premiere Pro to edit your videos. Okay, all right, so we move to the Adobe Premiere Pro software. So this is Adobe Premiere Pro software, and when we open this software we will see something like this. I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro 2019, but if you are using a higher version like 2021 or 2022, you will also see something like this. So when you open it, the first thing you see here is called the menu bar, the file, the edit, clip, sequence, markers, graphics, view, window, help. All these are called the menu bar. So it is inside this menu bar you can get other features, drop down features like all these things listed here: to start a new project, to save your work, to import your work, to edit, undo and redo, to edit your video option, the sequence, markers, to mark in a particular clip and mark it out, graphics, view, to change how the view of your interface is, and your workspace. You can see the workspace where you can select the or customize your panel, and then we get the help. So after this we will now get the program monitor. So once we open this, you will see this is a diagram of Adobe Premiere Pro interface, and this diagram you will see that here we have the source monitor, we have the project panel, we have the timeline and track, also known as sequence, timeline and tracks. Then we have the program monitor here. Here you can see the modes. Here you can select the mode. Either if you want to focus more on the audio, you can select audio, or effect, or editing. But here you can see that editing was selected here. So what I'm going to explain is the work of all this. This is the interface of Adobe Premiere Pro, so that you know the work of each one and know how to use it. So if we dive into this project panel, which is here, first of all, when you open this Premiere Pro, you can create a new project. New, click on your new, then go to project. Then it will ask you to type the name of your project. So today is a simple video. Location, this is where your file is being stored. You can create a folder or you leave it at this location, desktop. But if you want to change the location, you can click on browse, then you select any location you want to put it. So I might decide to save it in this document. I right click my mouse to create a new folder, and I will just type simple video. Then I will now select this folder so that any video I save will be inside this folder. I will click on select folder. Can you see it? Here you will see the file location, user, HP, document, simple video. So anything I save will save under document inside this folder. Then here we have the display format, time code. We can leave this one like this and click on OK. When you click on OK, this thing will just show you something like this. Then here is called the sequence. Here is called the sequence. So to create your sequence, you click on File, New, Sequence. You can see Ctrl N, Sequence. Then you can just leave it like this and type the name. If you want to customize the name, you can just type simple video. Okay, then you click on OK. Here in this sequence, you can see here we have simple video in this sequence, and in this this side you also see the simple video here. So I'm trying to explain about this interface here, the project panel. So this project panel, you can import a video here. When you double click on this project panel, it will open a dialog for you to select the video you want to edit. So here I will look for a video. Okay, I will select this video and click on open. So once I click on open, you can see the video is now located here. Another method I can use to add video to this project panel is by coming to this my file manager, selecting that particular video and dragging it, like click and hold the video, then drag it to that Premiere Pro like this. You will not leave your hand on your mouse. You will left click and hold your mouse and drag it, then release your hand to paste it. Can you see? Yeah, so that is but I will delete one. Two ways to import file. By double clicking it, you now select that file, or by dragging, or just by going to file, import, which is Ctrl I. All of them are the same thing. All of them are to import. You select the video you want to import and import. So that is the work. So this project panel is where you save you import the video that you want to use for your work. Do you understand? Then that is all about this project panel. The next one is the source monitor. The source monitor is used to view your video before adding it to the timeline. So it will show you that video here. You can trim a particular section you want to add here. So let's come to this video. We click on, once you double click, it will show here. Do you understand? If you double click the video, it will show here. You can play it. So once the reason you are playing it is to make sure that you select the part you need. Okay, now in this video, if I want to select this part, or if I want to add all of them, I can just drag all of them to this place. But if I don't want, I can select a particular section here that I want to add. So if I move this, I might decide to just pick from here and mark out here by clicking on mark out, which is O. O is mark out, while I is marking. So I've selected this particular section. I can now drag it to my Adobe Premiere Pro interface. Can you see? Then when you drag it to this sequence or timeline, that is this one, you can see I'm now here, this timeline and tracks or sequence. So This timeline is where you can now cut, arrange your video the way you want that your video to be. So I will just come here. Once you drag this thing, it will ask you, this clip does not match the sequence setting. Change sequence setting to match the clip setting, because this video there is a setting it already have, and you can see in this my program monitor, this is the orientation of the video, but you can see this original video, the width is bigger than this one. So if I want to force this to enter here, I will keep existing setting. But if I want it to take the shape of this particular video, I will now click on change sequence setting. You can now see that this video has now appeared here, you understand, and I can, once I click on play here, it will show here. So this is where it is on this timeline that I will now edit, cut, add effect, add transition, add color, you understand, color grading to this video. All my editing will be done in this timeline, you understand. So if I'm playing this video, you will see this audio going up and down. This is the audio monitor. So let's go and check. So this is audio meter. It will show you the level of the audio. If this audio is clipping at this edge, it means that the audio is too much, which means you have to reduce the audio, you understand. So this is the audio monitor. Then this is the program monitor. That is where the video, anything you edited here will now be showing here. Do you understand? So, and here you now see the tools, the tool panel. Here you can select the tool you want to use in your video editing work. Just like here, I will come to this, drag this thing closer to see this thing very well. So this navigation, you can use, if you stretch it like this, you will see that the thing will become small. So I have to drag it so that I can be able to edit this video. So this is my timeline. This is my source monitor. This is my program monitor. While this one is my project panel. Source monitor, program monitor, timeline and tracks, project panel. Then tool panel. So I want to explain about tool panel. So in this tool panel, once you come to this tool panel, you can use it to cut this video or type, add a text or caption, or track select, fast forward. So I want to cut this video, so I will come to use this razor tool. The shortcut is C. The shortcut is C. So I can be able to cut this clip. If there is any particular place I don't need, I can cut it out. Then this one is my selection tool, which is V. Then this is my repo edit tool. So this repo edit, if you select this thing and click on this repo edit, this repo edit tool, sorry, this repo edit is if you want to edit a repo here. Why this cut is used to cut. Then here you also see we have the slip tool, we have the pen tool, we have the hand tool, and we have the type tool. So here I'll be using the razor tool to cut this. Then if I don't need this particular place in this video now, I'm going to select this and right click my mouse and go to repo delete. This repo delete is used to remove this clip, and it will automatically take the shape. So if I click on repo delete, you can see that it removed that particular section I don't want and fill this space. Okay, why this text is used to type something in this Adobe Premiere Pro. So if I select this text, I come on this my program monitor and type um, narcos narcos narcos. Then I will have to drop the 2 here, then arrange this where I want it to be. So that is the work of this text tool. Then you can move this text tool to a particular position you want it to be. If you want it to be in this position, you will see once it reach that place that text is, it will show that narcos. Okay, can you see it? So with time I will explain to you guys the work of this track select forward, ripple edit tool, sleep tool, pen tool, hand tool. I have explained about this selection tool, text tool, and cut tool. So this is the simple interface of Adobe Premiere Pro. So after doing this, you add this text. If there's any particular part you don't want to show, you can just use this razor tool, or the shortcut is C, cut that particular place you don't want to show, then drop the razor tool by clicking this selection tool, or just clicking the alphabet on your keyboard V. It will drop. Then you click on that place you don't want to show and click on delete on your keyboard. It will delete that particular section. So this is a simple video I created, which is just 6 seconds. So after watching this video, because I don't want to be going deep without us following it step by step so that it will not confuse you, for now what we did today is introduction to Adobe Premiere Pro interface. So introduction to Adobe Premiere Pro interface, we have covered this, the project panel, the tool panel, the timeline and tracks, the program monitor, the source monitor, then the modes where you can select any particular thing you want. So here if we click on this mode now, we can, because we are editing, if we click any other thing here, this one is for effect. If what I'm doing, I want to add effect to this video, I will click on effect. You will see that this interface will change and prepare itself for effect. Here you will see that effect is now located here, effect control is located here, the timeline is located here, while the project panel is located here, then program monitor is located here. If I click on audio, you will see that the workspace will change to prepare me for audio editing. So you click this on when you want to edit audio, you see to show you audio 1, audio 2, audio 3. Okay, and now show you sound effect here. So this sound effect, you can select any sound that you need here for this sound effect, or select any music. Then we have graphics. This one is if you want to add a graphics to the work, graphics like the caption, that is the graphics like your title, so if I want to add this my title here, I will just drag this your title here, then reduce it the time by dragging this side. Then this workspace, you can adjust it anyhow you want. This is called panel. So if I want to move this one down, once this mouse show this arrow, you click and hold and drag it down to get something like this. You will see your title here. Then double click on this title and put anything you want. You can now put the title of this Tech Summit. That is the I remember I did this using this graphics, because I click on graphics, it's now showing me something like this. So you can select any one you want. Okay, let me just click and delete, or let me just leave it. Then you can also see something like lower third, which you can also add here by just dragging this lower third here. Then add something you want to add there. If you click on play, you can see that the lower third appear here. Then you double click on it and put whatever you want. By, I will type my name, by Gentility. So that is all about this graphics. There are many other things you can do there, like editing your text and other things. So that is the work of this graphics. This one is for audio. If you want to add audio samples to your work, here you will see music, you will see dialogue, you will see SFX, but it's only used to add audio and sound effects here. Then this color is used when you want to add color or do color grading or set the color of your editing. Okay, so you can see now, if I click on this one, excuse me, so that this one is for color, this one is for editing, this one is for editing. So all this one is just a mode, the mode that you want to use. Then this first one is for learning. If you are learning, if you want to learn the basic of Adobe Premiere Pro, you can put on this one. It will show you step by step on how to use this interface and how to create your first video using the learning tab. You can see the learning tab here. So it's just like a tutorial. If you click on this one, after watching, you click on this second one, the basic, learn the basic. You click on this third one, create a stylistic edit. So after doing this video, what you just do after watching this video, just try to edit a simple video that is 6 seconds. Then I will show you how to export. Then after doing it, screenshot your screen and send to me. You can screenshot by pressing window function, print screen on your keyboard, print screen to screenshot. Then you send it to me on WhatsApp. Then and also export. So I'm going to show you how to export this video I created by clicking on File, Export. You can see the shortcut Ctrl M. Anytime you press Ctrl M is export. So you click on Ctrl M. It will show you something that you will use to export this video, where you can now select the video size and video quality and how you want it to be. Okay, so that is all about this Adobe Premiere Pro, the interface. So we covered the project, that is the program monitor, the source monitor, project panel, and the timeline panel. So in the next class we'll be creating our first video. In our next class we'll be creating our next video with Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you have any question after watching this video, you can drop it on my DM. Thank you.